2017 Gesneriad Society Convention Show. This is Primulina linearicalyx, entered by Bill Price, and it won Best Other Old World Gesneriad in Flower. And Bill brought this on a plane from Vancouver, BC to Omaha. Bill, tell us about the plant.
Yes. Hi. This plant is a highly endangered species from China. It was discovered in one quartz outcropping, and it probably only about 60 plants left. It was sent from China and grew starting as a leaf cutting about 2 years ago. And this is one plant. It slowly grow in medium light and in the middle of a tube shelf, and it slowly just forms suckers and it blooms off and on throughout the year. The blooms don't last very long, but I think they're very attractive.
It's a really beautiful plant with lots of flowers for Primulina. What is the kind of temperature range that you have it growing under?
I grow it in what are fairly normal temperatures for the West Coast, probably highs of about 70 to 75 in the day and 65 at night. In the winter it gets a bit cooler, and I keep it on the dry side. I also grow it in a very shallow pen because in the wild, in nature, these things grow on the surface of these rocks. In this case, it was a quartz rock outcropping, that's why it's thought to be so endangered, because it's the only one site where we found a quartz mountain. So it's not growing in semi-shade outside. And they grow very shallow because in the wild they only grow on the surface of these rocks or in the crevices.
So it doesn't need a big, deep pot.
But it seems all these Primulinas, all the ones we saw in China, all grow in very shallow substrate and in semi-shade.
Cool. Beautiful plant. Thank you, Bill.
Thank you. You're welcome.